Hi, third graders. Welcome to our ELA Standard of the Week video. All right, here we go. For your ELA Standard this week, we are going to be decoding multi-syllabic words. That is our learning target. By the end of this week, I want you to be practicing your syllables. Here's our I can statement. I can analyze words with more than one syllable using our decoding skills and use them in a simple sentence. That means I want you using words, multi-syllable words, all week. These are longer words, big third grade words. So you might be thinking, well, what is a syllable? What does that even mean? A syllable is basically chunked words. It's a group of letters that has one vowel sound. And in multi, which means more than one, multisyllabic, that means you're going to have long words that have more than one chunk in them. In order for it to qualify as a syllable, it has to have a vowel. So think of our vowels. Can you turn to your learning coach and say your 5 vowel sounds? I'll tell you the letter names first. A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, A. Each syllable or each chunk of the word has to have one of those vowels. There's different ways to figure out your vowels too. Look up here. We can say it. We can say the word by using our mouth. We can clap out the syllables. We can count the syllables. Another way to do it that is not listed on there is I like to use my chin. So if I'm saying something like, my cat's name is Shadow, so I could go shadow. However many times my chin goes down, that's how many syllables are in the word. And hey, she must have heard me. She came right over. Hello, Shadow. All right. She's grumpy. She's going to turn her back to us. So if I were saying shadow, I could go shadow, shadow. So I say it, I clap it, I count it, shadow. That's 2 syllables right there. These are some examples of 2-syllable words. Everybody say popcorn. How many syllables do you think it has? Popcorn. How many times did your chin go down? Popcorn. Popcorn. I said it. I clapped it. I counted it. I used my chin. All right, how about robot? Put your hand under your chin. Robot. 2 syllables. Robot. Let me use it in a sentence. The robot was making silly sounds. Okay, turn to your learning coach. Use the word robot in a sentence. I'm pretending I can hear you. I bet you did a fine job. Now think about the word pencil. 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 Use it in a sentence. I like to write with a pencil. Your turn. Very nice. So when you're thinking of syllables, make sure you say the word, you clap the word, you count your syllables. And what we're going to learn about in ELA class this week is when we have a really long word, what do? We chunk it into syllables. We chunk it into groups to make the big word into short sections to read it easier. So I hope you learned a lot about syllables in just these couple minutes that we had, but come on into class this week. I look forward to seeing you. Make sure you check your Class Connect schedule so you'll be there, and I will see you in class. Bye.